The best baby food makers. The best baby food makers help you make any food easy to eat for babies and toddlers. This food appliance is great for babies aged over 6 months, especially when you start introducing solids to them. If you plan to get a processor home to make delicious purees for your baby, here is a list of the best baby food makers that you may consider purchasing. Watch this video, as we also tell you about the features you should consider when choosing the right baby food maker. Number 1. Best user-friendly. Baby Bullet Food System. The food maker ships with 6 storage cups with dials on them to mark the date you made the food. Its simple operation settings make it user-friendly. You can make purees from pre-cooked fruits, vegetables, and grains, and store the prepared puree directly in the blending bowl by covering it with a lid. You can also transfer it to a cup that ships with the blender. Check out this product review video and pick the best suited one for your needs. What we like. Comes with a standard blade for fruits and vegetables and a milling blade to blend grains to make cereals for the baby. Includes a silicone tray with slots that allow you to store the prepared puree in batches. Blending cups can be detached from the base containing the motor. Non-toxic plastic is free of phthalates and BPA. What we don't like. The motor may not be powerful enough. Accessories may not be easy to clean. Number 2. Best feature-rich. Beaba Baby Cook Food System. The single food maker has 4 features: steam, cook, blend, and reheat. It takes only 15 minutes to convert the food from a raw state to a puree that is edible for babies. The time is the same even for food items such as chicken and potatoes that take longer to cook. Food items go into the steaming basket, which keeps the food separate from the water reservoir and prevents it from becoming too moist. Steam is condensed to water and collected into a stainless steel reservoir that helps conserve water. What we like. Can process various food items, including fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish. Includes a cooking basket, spatula, and a mixing lid, free of BPA, lead, and phthalates. Auto shut-off cooking timer. What we don't like. May not be easy to use. Bowl may not be durable. Number 3. Best single dial operation. Cuisinart BFM 1000 Baby Food Maker. 3-in-1 operation. Streams, blends, and can also warm the baby's bottles. It can steam fruits, vegetables, and meat. Auto-off function switches off the food maker when water in the reservoir evaporates entirely. It prevents overcooking of the food. A steam blade distributes steam for cooking the food. A single, large cooking bowl performs both the functions of steaming and chopping. A single dial controls all the operations, which makes the processor user-friendly. Number 4. Best for indoor and outdoor. Boffing Metal Garment Rack. Boffing Metal Garment Rack is an ideal less space-consuming one-tier freestanding clothes rack that fits into any room. Its single clothes railing is 47 inches long and can easily accommodate 20 coats without being overcrowded. Number 4. Best handheld motor. Sage Spoonfuls Baby Food Maker. The machine comes with 2 components: a food processing bowl and an immersion blade, both powered by a handheld motor. You can process the food in the blending bowl or use the immersion blade. The dual processor helps you make an ultra-smooth puree. You can also use the immersion blade for blending in general, other than for making baby food, which makes this processor highly versatile. What we like. Can process a wide variety of pre-cooked foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and meat. The stainless steel blade and motor have a quiet yet powerful function. Made of materials free of BPA, PVC, phthalate, and lead. The immersion blade and food processing bowl are dishwasher safe. What we don't like. Might splatter sometimes. Might require more water for proper blending. Number 5. Best non-toxic. Elebebe Baby Food Maker. Multi-purpose functions. A separate steaming basket lets you steam the food in the main bowl. You can steam a wide variety of foods including potatoes and apples. The blade can blend food to a smooth puree or thick, coarse food as well. Easy to clean and maintain design. Made from materials free of BPA, phthalate, and lead. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.